If you are installing a medical gas system, safety is a big concern. Cool Gel offers you protection and makes installations and repairs easier and safer. To help protect expensive valves and equipment and reduce your repair expenses, use Cool Gel. Cool Gel acts as a barrier between heat being applied and the surfaces you are working on. Apply Cool Gel to any surface before brazing. When working with pipes, Cool Gel prevents heat transfer from moving down the piping system to other heat-sensitive components. As you are soldering or brazing, the gel begins to evaporate as the flame is applied. Wipe Cool Gel off of the equipment when you are finished. It will not leave any residue behind. Cool Gel makes your installation efficient and safe. For more information about Cool Gel, visit our website at laco.com.